All right, Paul, check it out. I'm gonna get in my car and let's see if it starts. It's been sitting since about 8:30 this morning, and it's a little after 2 right now. So here we go. Just unlock that bad boy. There we go, nice and clean. Thank you guys for doing that. Put my foot on the brake, key in the ignition. Oh, what's that? You're hearing that and seeing that, right? There it goes. 4 or 5 times. That's kind of how it normally goes, man. So, don't know. I'm in a covered parking structure, nice and cool here. You can see the temperature in here is about 80 degrees outside, so it's not like it's real hot or real cold. None of my accessories were on. Nothing was plugged in. I didn't have my seatbelt on yet, but hopefully that doesn't make a difference. So I'm sending you this video, man, just to let you know, first day out. There it goes again. All right, brother. Thanks.